Let's take a look at this Wiha bit set. This is says it's made in Germany. This is on sale at wihatools.com for $59.99. wihatools.com has a $99 minimum order for free shipping. Otherwise, you pay the $6.99 UPS flat rate. I thought, you know what? I might be able to save myself the $6.99 because KC Tool will ship free for orders over $50, and this was on sale for $59.99. And sure enough, KC Tool also had it on sale, same price as wihatools.com, but it met their minimum shipping requirement. I ordered it. I got it 4 days later in the mail, free shipping. So KC Tool matched and beat wihatools.com, and they significantly beat Amazon DE. Okay, this is Amazon DE, the same set. This is in the cart, converted from euros to dollars with the taxes and the shipping fees, one click before I submit the order on Amazon.de. $89.86. And I got this for $59.99. Free shipping 4 days later from KC Tools. The point is, you got to shop around. The best deals are not always at Amazon DE, and you can't write off KC Tool as being more expensive, and you can't just say Chad's Toolbox. Okay, Chad's Toolbox, they have a price match, but they don't have this item. So let's look at this item. So this is an awesome little tool, and got this at chadstoolbox.com. You can see that again the price differences. This is Amazon DE. This was chadstoolbox.com's price. I bought this with some other items to get all the way up to the chadstoolbox.com minimum order of $99 to get free shipping, and KC Tool had this price on this item. And there are some different versions of this that have different bits in it. And I made sure that I'm comparing apples to apples here, that it's the same one, the Craftform Compact 25 with the same bits in it. And these are the price differences. Okay? So on this item, chadstoolbox.com is the winner. Okay? Why do people put in the comments, and why do you find YouTube videos that are saying, hey, go check out Amazon DE? Well, here's an example. Here's a dramatic example where it paid off to buy it all the way from Amazon DE. These two bit sets, I was careful to compare apples to apples. $59.82. I paid this. I got this order from Amazon DE 12 days later. It took 12 days, but it's taken 11 or 12 days to get some orders from chadstoolbox.com. And if items aren't in stock, it can take 10 or 11 days from KC Tools to get an order. So 12 days is not out of line when you're trying to buy these German tools and avoid paying a ton of shipping. And this is gonna, I'm sorry KC Tool, I know this is gonna make you look bad, but I don't mean that, but it's a dramatic difference. $140.97. I would have gotten it faster, but that's a huge difference. Okay, that's KC Tool. Here's Chad's Toolbox. Okay, doesn't meet the minimum $99 for free shipping. So there's $6.99. You could find an item to add you know, get the odd bit or whatever and get it up and get the free shipping. But $102. So Chad's Toolbox is $102 for these two items. KC Tool was $140 for these two items, and Amazon DE was $59.82 for these two items. So all that goes to show is you got to shop around. You've got to use kctool.com. You've got to use chadstoolbox.com. And once in a while, it's worth the effort to check out amazon.de. If you all know of any other places, like I go to wihatools.com, I also check that. If you know of any other places, comment below. I would love to know. You know, I've still got some German tool items that are on my wish list. So that's my 2 cents on the dollars and cents of buying German tools. Thanks for watching. I hope that information was useful.